welcome to this little tiny lesson, and we're going to look at the word ers. So ers means since, but we also use it for in some situations. So for example, dwi wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg ers 2006. Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg ers mis. Dwi wedi byw yma ers 5 mlynedd. So we use it for and since, which is why sometimes people who speak Welsh as a first language might say, oh, I've been waiting here since 5 minutes, because we would just say ers 5 munud. Some other phrases that use ers that are really important are ers talwm. So ers talwm means for ages, for a really, really long time. So you could say, dwi wedi byw yma ers talwm. That would mean, I've lived here forever. But you could also start talking about a period of time that would be called ers talwm. So, ers talwm roedd pobl yn mynd o gwmpas ar geffyl a throl. So, ers talwm, it's like long ago, the olden days. And another phrase with ers is ers meitin. So if you hear, wyt ti wedi bod yn aros yma ers meitin, again, that can mean something like for a while. Okay, great. So there we go. Now you can use ers. Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg ers So ers pryd or ers faint. Now we might also get into that little area of the word years, which can be quite tricky in Welsh because blynyddoedd is years, but you'll hear the form mlynedd being used a lot. So ers blwyddyn, ers 2 flynedd, ers 3 blynedd, ers 4 blynedd, ers 5 mlynedd, ers 6 blynedd, ers 7 mlynedd, and then it's mlynedd forever. Don't worry too much about that one. Diolch yn fawr.